saan po kayo magpasa ng resume? Thank you po.
Ikaw, punta tayo kina Adrian.
Hello, are the applicants ready? Yes, ma'am. Should we start the interview? Yes, okay. Please call them. Yes, ma'am.
Is Christy Bihoro? Tell me about yourself.
I'm Christy Bihor. I graduated at UPLB, Bachelor of Science in Office Management. And I live at Taguig City. I have two siblings, girl.
Okay. Why should I hire you for this job?
I think I have skills and talents for this job, and it's not a disadvantage if I don't have an experience before, but I know on myself I can do my job well.
Okay. What are your strengths and weaknesses?
My strength in myself, maybe when I can communicate with other people.
And what about the weakness?
I don't think so if I have a.
Are you sure?
I'm not saying that I don't have anything, but I can.
Overcome.
Okay. Let us leave that question. Why are you applying for this job?
I'm applying for this job because I want to gain experience, and also I want to help my parents also. Then I want to, explore myself and to use my professional. So that's it.
Okay. Miss Christy, I will call you later. What are your strengths and weaknesses?
My strength is being loyal to your company if you hire me, ma'am. And I have a strength of being a patience person when it comes to the my coworkers, even if they have a bad personality, quality, and being a harsh employment. That's
So why are you applying for this job?
for me to be a good asset in your company and to be able to enhance my knowledge, ma'am.
Okay. How do you see yourself 5 years from now?
Now, ma'am, I have a short term. If you hire me, I when you hire me, ma'am, I being a office staff only. That is the short term of mine. And my long term, ma'am, when you hire me is to be able to become a manager someday and supervisor or higher position.
Okay, that's so.
Yes.
So, Marchar, is this your active number?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we will call you for our company.
Okay.
Thank you, Miss Marchar. Congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am.